Yesterday afternoon, the central bank pronounced itself, set the base and published the base, communicated to us, and at the same time gave us what one would call regulation that would govern this bill. That's what we were waiting for until yesterday, that the central bank was to create the central bank rate, which becomes the base on which the premium or the risk factor could be loaded, and the risk factor for everybody is 4 percentage points. So today we wanted to confirm to our customers and the general public that from last night, all accounts in the bank that were in existence and were compliant with the terms and conditions offered, meaning they were not in arrears, they are today enjoying 14.5% reducing balance rate of interest.